In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Excel to N8n in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to automation or simply looking to streamline your processes, this guide will walk you through the steps necessary to get you connected quickly and easily. Let's dive right in. First things first, you want to prepare your Excel file. Make sure the file you want to work with is readily available and organized to your needs. This might include ensuring that your data is clean, with clear headers and the necessary columns you wish to use in your automation. Having a well-prepared document will not only facilitate a smoother integration process, but will also help you avoid any unnecessary errors later on. Next, open N8n and create a new workflow. By doing this, you are essentially setting up a canvas where all your actions, in this case connecting Excel, will take place. Think of a workflow like building a sequence of steps that your data will follow to achieve your desired outcome. Once you have N8n open, simply look for the option to Create New Workflow and select it. Now, you need to add a trigger node. A trigger node is crucial because it tells your workflow when to start. Depending on your needs, this could be anything from a regular interval trigger, such as every hour, or it could be triggered by a specific event. Contemplate how and when you want your data from Excel to be processed, and set your trigger accordingly. With your trigger node in place, proceed to click Add Node and select Microsoft Excel from the list. This action is essentially linking your workbook to your automation process. Once you click on Add Node, just scroll or search for Microsoft Excel, helping N8n understand that this is your tool of choice to integrate into your workflow. Now, under the Authentication section, click Create New and log in with your Microsoft account credentials. This step connects N8n with your Excel files stored in either OneDrive or SharePoint. Make sure you have your login details handy and follow the prompts to sign in securely. Following that, give N8n permission to access OneDrive or SharePoint. This step is integral to letting N8n work with your files. Often, you'll be prompted to approve access, and this allows N8n to read and manipulate the Excel file you've specified. Once you've granted permission, it's time to configure the action. This is where you tell N8n exactly what you want it to do with your Excel data. Do you want to read or update data? Perhaps you want to move data elsewhere. Specify your preferences in this step, ensuring that N8n processes your data as intended. Finally, don't forget to run the workflow manually to test your setup. By doing so, you can confirm that everything is functioning properly and that your Excel and N8n integration is successful. Once you've verified your setup by running it manually, you'll have created a seamless link between Excel and N8n, enhancing your productivity through effective automation. And there you have it. Connecting Excel to N8n in such an efficient manner can save you time and streamline your daily tasks. Happy automating!